Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller, and I also love to do unboxings and talk about just reselling, buying things, selling things. It's my passion. I love it. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but before I get to that, I wanted to say that I have decided to finally, I know it took me more than a year. I've been on YouTube a little bit more than a year. And I finally have decided to do my videos, my two main videos of the week on a schedule. So what I'm going to do from now on is I'm going to put out two videos a week for sure. One will be on Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Time, and the other one will be on Wednesday night, 7 p.m. Central Time. And so that way people can have an idea of when I'm going to post and what, it's going to be an unboxing both of those nights. I don't know which will be which, but both of them will be unboxing. So Sunday and Wednesday every week I will post. I will do additional posts, bonus posts, and they will still be of the what's sold and haul videos. I haven't done a lot of haul videos lately. A lot of you know what? I need to do another haul video. I do have a lot of products I'm getting to sell, so just from different places than I've been getting. So anyway, all right. So tonight though, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a ThredUp fun box, and that box is 10 items for $34 plus tax and shipping. Comes to about $50 for me. It comes to about $5 per item because you get 10 items in the box. So, but anyway, just about the schedule, you'll just look forward to that Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Time. That's Central Time. And then 7 o'clock on Wednesdays. All right, let's get to the fun box. I hope it's a fun box. It's really lightweight. It's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Like always, like they kind of always are right now. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing a new lipstick today because someone in my comments said, "New lipstick, please." I know. I wear the same lipstick. It's true. I love it. It's my favorite lipstick. It's that lavender color. So today I'm wearing some MAC lip gloss instead. So anyway, and I got a new shirt from Anthropologie, another one here for the music. It's a t-shirt with this cute tulle over it. I love it. And then I've got these teddy bear gummy bear looking earrings by Betsy Johnson that go with it. They're so fun. I love the whimsical nature of Betsy Johnson's jewelry, of everything she makes. So all right, let's get to this thing. I cannot wait to see. I haven't done a fun box in kind of a while, so let's just see what I get. And the ones I've gotten have been pretty good. And the designer box, the last box I got, that was beyond. That was the best box I ever got. Oh, it was so good. All right, fun box. There we go. And we've got the kind of snowflakey looking wrapping again. Oh, of course, the Mosiso is on top. All right, they must have had a truckload of Mosiso products because I always seem to get Mosiso products in here. I hope it's the only one because they're cheap products from Amazon, and I don't really have any use for them. I don't know if you could sell them on eBay or anything. I kind of doubt it, and I really don't need one. So it's brand new though. It's a really nice, soft, nice one with it zips around. And so it looks like it would hold up to I'll have to look. I'll have to look and see, but it looks like about 15-inch maybe? Nah. But it's not big enough for a laptop. It's probably for a bigger tablet. So it's a mint green color. It zips around. That's okay. We'll see. Maybe I could sell it somewhere else. I don't know. All right, that was the first item. Now we've got this really cute pattern. What in the world is it? Current Air, Los Angeles, one size. Okay, this is adorable. This is absolutely, what is this? Is it a duster jacket? I think it is. Or is it a house coat type thing? One size. Look at this cute pattern. And it's got a shimmery gold in it. Look at a green. Oh my gosh, this is totally awesome. what material is it? Made in China. Do we have, yeah, we have a fabric tag here. Viscose. I don't know, this does not look like a cheap item. This is nice. It's really nice. I don't know. Let me just see it. Let's see what's going on with it. It's a short sleeve. It's a short sleeve. Oh, it's cute. I just don't know what you'd wear it with. I don't know. There's no buttons. It's open in the front. So, I don't know, but it's really cute. I'm going to have to look that up. I really love the gold. Can you see that? The shimmer of the gold? Really, really cute. I have a feeling it's not a cheap item, but I'm not sure about that. We'll see. We'll see. All right, now we've got some Talbot's trouser socks with a cute little bunny. Bunny socks. Oh my gosh. Oops. Those are so cute. Look at those. Oh my gosh, they're purple. And it says one size, made in Korea. And $14.50 is the price tag on there. So not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, okay. You know, people like socks, but socks are pretty cheap. So anyway. All right, next up is this belt bag. And it's a brown nylon belt bag with looks like an adjustable strap, really adjustable. And what brand is it? I don't think there's a brand on here, but belt bags are, oh here, belt bags are pretty popular right now. I see them everywhere I go. I don't see any branding on here though, so, it says size 8. I don't know. Maybe that's not size 8. I'll have to do a little looking up at this one. But anyway, it's cute. It's new. It doesn't look like it has any wear. So that's cool. All right. Next up. Wow. I don't I don't know. All right. Okay, I got to tell you. When I got divorced many years ago, you know, let's see, in 2011 is when I got divorced. And then for the next 8 years, I tried things out. I tried to keep myself busy so I wasn't sad. And I took guitar lessons and I took belly dancing lessons. And this looks like, these look like the things that you make that little chiming noise. And it says $7.99. And it seems like something they use with those kinds of dances. But Tarkan, I don't know. But I don't know. So actually, I'll have to look those up and see if they're, I don't think they're worth very much, but I don't even know what they're called. Little hand symbols. Ding, ding, ding. All right. Weird. Kind of weird, but you know, whatever. All right. Next up is a small, chunky hoop. Just one. From studs.com. Huh. Let's just look and see what the name on it is. It's really tiny. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's like a horseshoe shape. I don't know. I'm going to have to look and see if there's any markings on it. I don't see any markings on it, but I'm just going to show you up close. Like, it's really little. You can hardly see it. Look at Studs.com. No idea. Never been there. A small, chunky hoop. Okay. I don't really know what that is, but anyway, here, maybe you can see a little bit better when I, oops, gotta show you the right side though. It's really kind of hard to show you this, but it's tiny, tiny. Anyway, okay. This is probably the weirdest one I've gotten yet. But anyway, but there's nothing, you know, that's okay. All right, this is a bag with 2 hats in it, so I think it's a 2-for-1. Like, if they put 2 things in a bag like this, it usually means that, you know, that 2 equals 1. They're counting it as one item, basically. A hat. It's a stocking cap without a pom-pom or anything. And it says baby girl on it. It's cute. It's really kind of cute. What is there anything? I don't know what brand it is. It doesn't look like it's branded. It's acrylic. I don't know, but it's cute. I think this will sell. Someone would love, because it's embroidered on there. It's baby girl. That's cute. That's really cute. All right. I don't know. And then this is actually really cute too. This is a denim hat. It's denim, and then it's got, I don't know if it's, I think it's faux suede, but it's nice and soft and it looks like suede. And there's no brand name on this either. So, but it's a cute hat. I think if anyone wants it on here, great. Otherwise, I do think that one will sell. Okay. Okay, next up is Legal. Rugged wear. Leg warmers. Everybody needs them. Just kidding. I don't need them. They're too hot. Wait, I'm already hot enough. I don't need, I mean, it's already, you know, I got enough heat in my house that I don't need leg warmers. I guess if you're going skiing though, or if you're going to be somewhere cold outdoors all the time, yeah. So one size, and yeah, they've got the TJ Maxx price tag on it for $5.99. So, I mean, they're cute. I like the pattern. All right, well, what is the material, by the way? It feels like acrylic. Yep, 100% acrylic, and one size fits most. So, all right. Next is, oh, this is cute. This, I don't know what it is. Okay. Is it a travel makeup bag? A box or whatever? That is a mystery. I don't know. Huh. Okay. I think you can put this, you can set this on your table, then you can see what you're doing. Maybe you put all your makeup in there. I don't know. It's cute though. I like it. I actually might keep that. It looks like a real leather handle. I don't know, so that must be, but I don't see any branding on it. So I don't think I've gotten anything branded yet. And there's only one item left. So yeah, okay. All right. Here is a weird thing. I don't know what it is. I gotta open it because I have no clue what this is. So let's have a look-see. All right, we've got, oh, that's cute. That is cute. Sugar Fina. And Corona Light is what it says. So here's the thing. It's a bottle opener. And it's in, you know, it's a lime. And I'm going to show you this really cute Sugar Fina. Can you see that? Sugar Fina and then Corona Light is what it says on there. So that bottle opener is adorable. Really, really cute. And then also there's a little packet with it that says salt. It looks like a deck of cards though. Yeah, it's a brand new deck of cards. What the heck? Okay, it's just a deck of cards, regular. It hasn't been used, it's new. But it says salt on it, and which, I don't know, if you've got a margarita party, these two things are great together. I don't know if they went together or not. I'm gonna have to look them up. But this is really nice. Like, this is not a crappy, cheap one that you would find in a, you know, vending machine or something. This is really nice. Look at this. So, yeah, I got some hope for that, but I don't know. It wasn't my best box. It was probably one of the worst ones I've gotten, but that does not mean that I didn't enjoy unboxing it. So, anyway, if you're interested in any of the items from this video, put down below. I do ship via, I do invoice via PayPal, but you don't have to have PayPal to pay. You just have to have a debit or credit card. So just let me know to email me at mysteffstyle@gmail.com. And my next video will be Wednesday night. Thank you so much for watching.